Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change kilometers to miles on Google Maps. To change kilometers to miles on Google Maps is a simple process. For this, you need to open your Google Maps application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Google account. Now here you can see your Google account profile present on the top right corner. Tap on your Google account profile. After this, here you can see settings. Now tap on settings option. After this, now scroll down. Then here you can see distance units. Now tap on distance units. Now here you can see different kind of distance units that you can use. Now here you can see automatic option. That means the distance unit will be changed according to the place that you are living. Now to change kilometers to miles on Google Maps, simply tap on miles option. After this, the distance units will be changed into miles. Now you can go back to Google Maps and see that the distance has been changed into miles. But you need to know that the speed of traveling will be shown according to the kilometer per second or meter per second. This is how we can change kilometers to miles on Google Maps. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.